Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the workout icon. It looks like this. Once you find it, tap on it to open the workout menu. And here we have the list of workouts you can select. So find the workout you want to start, and once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on continue, and it's gonna start the countdown, and after the countdown is finished, it's gonna start the workout. And once the workout starts, you will see the time go, you will see the statistics like active calories, total calories, heart rate. You can also scroll down to check the heart rate zones and the activity statistics. You can also swipe left or right on the screen to access different menus. If you swipe right on the screen, you will open the menu here, and you can pause or resume the workout. You can also stop the workout. You can also end the workout, and you can mark the segment basically of the workout.
Marked.
Okay. And if you
Workout paused.
swipe left on the workout menu, you will open the music controls. And if you have any music on your watch and headphones connected, you can basically pause the music, play the music, skip, or go back to different songs. Okay. And if you want to stop the workout, swipe, like I said before, swipe right and then tap on end, and you can end workout by tapping on end workout. By default, you can also start the workout or open the workout menu by pressing the action button right here. But it could be changed later on if you want to. Okay, and that's about it. That's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.